Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. There's a moderate risk for severe weather today that encompasses southeastern Oklahoma. There's only one city shown for the moderate risk today, and that's Ada, Oklahoma. Okay? There's an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses parts of Oklahoma, west central Arkansas, and northeastern Texas. Cities enhanced include Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, Fort Smith, Arkansas, and Edmond, Oklahoma. Areas in the yellow are on a slight risk for severe weather today, and the dark green is the marginal risk for severe weather today. So, anyway, cities in today's slate include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Arlington, Texas, and Wichita, Kansas. And cities in the marginal today include Lincoln, Nebraska, Topeka, Kansas, Waco, Texas, Olathe, Kansas, and Killeen, Texas. Going to the tornado threat for today, there's a 10% chance of tornadoes today that encompasses parts of Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, and a tiny bit of west central Arkansas. Cities in the 10% tornado risk area today include Norman, Oklahoma, Midway City, Oklahoma, Sherman, Texas, Shawnee, Oklahoma, and Paris, Texas. Areas in the brown are on a 5% chance of tornadoes today, and areas in the dark green are on a 2% chance of tornadoes today. So, cities in the 10%. I went over the 10% already. Areas in the 5% tornado risk area today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Dallas, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. The 2% tornado risk area today includes Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Wichita, Kansas, Shreveport, Louisiana, and Little Rock, Arkansas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the tornado intensity index. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for tornadoes to reach or exceed EF1 today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for tornadoes to reach or exceed EF1 rating today. So, there's going to be some strong tornadoes in there today. Hearing congestion, my allergies are killing me. Maybe a cold, I don't know. But anyway, I should be fine. Cities in the black dashed area today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Arlington, Texas. Now for the wind threat for today, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses east central and southeastern Oklahoma, parts of Arkansas, northwestern Louisiana, and northeastern Texas. Cities in the 30% wind risk area today include Tulsa, Oklahoma, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, Fort Smith, Arkansas, Bossier City, Louisiana, and Muskogee, Oklahoma. Areas in the yellow are on a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, and the brown area is a 5% wind risk area for today. Alright? So, cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Arlington, Texas, and Wichita, Kansas. And the 5% wind risk area today includes Lincoln, Nebraska, Topeka, Kansas, Waco, Texas, Olathe, Kansas, and Killeen, Texas. And now for the hail threat for today, there is a 45% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses southeastern Oklahoma. States in the 45% hail risk area today include Ada, Oklahoma, and Okmulgee, Oklahoma. There is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering parts of Oklahoma, west central Arkansas, and northeastern Texas. States in the 30% hail risk area today include Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Brookmere, Oklahoma, Fort Smith, Arkansas, and Edmond, Oklahoma. Areas in the yellow are in a 15% hail risk area for today, and the 5% hail risk area is in the brown. Okay? States in the 15% hail risk area today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Arlington, Texas, and Wichita, Kansas. And the 5% hail risk area today includes Lincoln, Nebraska, Topeka, Kansas, Waco, Texas, Olathe, Kansas, and Killeen, Texas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index for today. Alright, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright, within the black dashed area. So, yeah, if you notice here, there's a solid line area here. There is a solid line area here. The solid line area is actually the highest on the hail intensity index. The solid line is a level 2 of 2 on the hail intensity index for today. Yeah, the solid line area is the highest potential for giant hail. The solid line area is where we have the highest potential for giant hail of 3.5 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright, the solid line area is where we have the highest potential for giant hail reaching or exceeding 3.5 inches in diameter. So, yeah. Hitting the black dashed area, aka level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index. Today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Arlington, Texas. And the cities in the solid line area, today include Sherman, Texas, Shawnee, Oklahoma, Paris, Texas, Ardmore, Oklahoma, and Denison, Texas. So, yeah. In summary, severe thunderstorms with large to very large hail, tornadoes, and wind damage will be likely today across parts of the southern plains and Arctic. Hailstones greater than 3 inches in diameter and strong tornadoes will be possible. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Can be pretty active today. Stay safe in the affected areas today. No matter what risk you're in. Alright, stay safe in the affected areas today. No matter what risk you're in. And I'll have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.